Hey guys, so today we're gonna play Five Nights at Freddy's 3. First, verify the hard attraction. Local amusement park is getting ready to scare the South staff with a new attraction based on the soft mysteries of Freddy's Pizzeria, featuring actual release from the tickets or pieces. This is an attraction for everyone to see. Well, I guess the last part, which is I'm pretty sure for everyone to see.
Hey, glad you came back for another night. I promise it'll be a lot more interesting.
Ooh, cool balloon boy. The legends are true. But they aren't legends. Well, technically they are. But I didn't know that you can do that in the iOS. I thought you can only do that in, like, the PC version. Like, you know.
We've got a lava bath over here. Now the minions really love it. I think maybe Grim might like it. But you know, you should. You can do whatever you want with it. You can close it off. But they enjoy it. You know, you're not supposed to be part of the tour here. I'm trying to get a sale here.
Okay, there.
Yes, I can, Kevin. I'm fully within my rights to sell this place. Consequences, right, Dan? Yeah.
I know what it's like. For a BB poster. Oh my god.
Let me show you one of the experiment rooms. Now, they're all about the same here, all about the same size. They're pretty well fitted so that we do have a reinforced walls and things like that. Anything else you want to see? Do you have any cells for aggressive mobs? Oh, yeah, of course. Right over here, we have a place where we keep mobs, like hostile mobs and things like that. It's a bit of a jail. Don't have anything on it. We're right over here. Plenty of cells down here. So, yeah, each one's got its own latch. Really
Well, I'm bored.
We don't really have any problems with it. I think that's about it. I can't think of much else other than, why don't you make me an offer?
How does half a stack of cobblestone sound?
I don't know. Jeez. How about, that seems really low. I mean, you know, I put a lot of work into this, so how about instead of half of a stack of cobblestone, how about a full stack of cobblestone? Kevin, get here. So the lab is in perfect condition, and it is all yours. Kevin! April Fools! Kevin, I'm not selling the lab. I wouldn't sell it for...
Let's see what we got cost fishes.
Whatever your April Fool's joke was like. No, it's not mean. You get it, right? See, you're supposed to... and scare someone and get them to believe it, and then you say
Reboot all.
when they finally believe it. And that's how you do it.
Yay!
Thank you guys so much for watching this episode. If you enjoyed it, please do go ahead and give it a like. Also, I want to thank Dan or the Diamond Minecart for agreeing to appear in this episode of Think Slab. If you don't already know who he is and haven't checked out his channel, please do so on his channel.